Hey everybody, my name is Kyle and I run the Whiz channel where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you'll get updated and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money from your Sandbox property. In the Sandbox metaverse, buying low and selling high is not the only way to make money. There are several other ways to make money that does not involve selling your property. You can earn money while still keeping your land. Do you want to know how to do this? Then stick around till the end of the video and we'll be exploring the various ways to make money from your metaverse land. The Sandbox is a community-driven multiplayer game where users can create their own worlds and earn cryptocurrency. It's one of the most popular games that uses the play-to-earn or P2E concept, which allow users to produce and profit from assets within the game. The game consists of 166,464 land parcels that can be purchased, resulting in the world filled with user-created buildings, landscapes, objects, and characters. The Sandbox was first developed as a mobile game in 2011 under the same name, followed by the Sandbox Evolution in 2016, downloaded over 40 million times on iOS and Android. Pixowl, the game's creator, decided to incorporate the game into the blockchain environment in 2018, allowing players to own their creations and non-fungible tokens. As a result of this opportunity, players are encouraged to create their own unique locations and virtual mini-games. One of the ways you can make money from your Sandbox property is by creating digital assets. Making and selling digital assets in the Sandbox marketplace is the first way to make money as a Sandbox creator. If you're new to the Sandbox metaverse, I'll walk you through the process of creating a digital asset for sale on the Sandbox marketplace. To make a digital asset for the Sandbox metaverse, first download VoxEdit, a free tool, and then follow these steps. First, launch the VoxEdit application on your laptop. You'll see two areas on the homepage, rigging and modeling. To generate or export the character you're designed, go to the modeler. After you've done that, you can export your digital asset to the Sandbox marketplace once it's finished. To export your digital asset to the Sandbox marketplace, navigate to the File option in the rigger top bar and select the Export option, which will display a menu list in front of you. Then select Export to Marketplace from the drop-down menu, and just like that, your NFT will be available for purchase in the marketplace. Another way to make money in the Sandbox metaverse is to build and to monetize games. One of the great features of the Sandbox platform is that it allows you to create your own game, and you do not even have to be a software engineer. Yep, I'm not joking when I say that the Sandbox allows you to utilize your imagination to create your own play-to-earn metaverse game. You'll need to download the Game Maker tool to make a game in the Sandbox universe. The tool will give you a variety of options for creating your own game. The advantage is that you could use the digital assets you've made in VoxEdit to improve the gaming experience. When your game is finished, you can import it into the Sandbox land and invite others to play it. You have the option of charging the players for playing the game on your property. This is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to make money in the Sandbox. If you believe you have a creative mind, download the tool and put your skills on display in the virtual world. Another way to make money in the Sandbox metaverse is to rent out your land. The next method for making money in Sandbox is straightforward. All you have to do is buy land in the Sandbox virtual environment and then rent it to someone who's looking for it. Sounds like a fantastic opportunity for investment. Isn't that so? Users who own land in the Sandbox can rent it out to others who wish to create, distribute, and monetize games and other experiences. The cost of renting out your land depends on a variety of factors, including its size, location, and closeness to other popular communities and gaming events. It isn't quite as simple as it appears because people who want to rent consider a lot of factors before they go ahead. So you must make your property worth renting. The best approach I can recommend is for you to first create or buy digital assets from a marketplace. Make your land presentable before renting it out. This will help you in getting a high rent. Another brilliant way to make money in the Sandbox metaverse is to use your land for advertising and marketing. There are many reasons why marketers are flocking to the metaverse. Its new and faster connections finally exist to support growing environments. But maybe the most important reason is marketers want to target and keep millennials and Gen Z up to date and engage with their products and technologies. And metaverses allow them to target these audiences in a new way. and from the engagement brands are already getting, it's clear this marketing strategy is working and here to stay. If you can get a good property in a popular place in the Sandbox, you'd be surprised at how many brands and entrepreneurs will pay you good money just to advertise on your property. You can also advertise your own business on your property if you're an entrepreneur. Another interesting method to make money in the Sandbox is by hosting karaokes. Apparently, karaoke is a big thing in the metaverse. So how are you going to make money in the metaverse with karaoke? Well, you can start your own karaoke bar and charge a small fee for people to enter and participate. You can also create music NFTs to sell to other karaoke bars. You can also make things interesting by hosting singing or dancing competitions and giving our money to the winner. This will entice people to pay to enter the competition. Also, you could start other types of places such as virtual trivia nights or speed dating. Next method is to invest in Sand crypto. Sand is used to purchase assets as well as digital plots of land. Sand currently trades at under $3, but by the end of the year, the Sandbox is expected to reach a minimum of $3.44 and a maximum of $4.06 according to Digital Coin Price. They believe Sand could reach $13.32 by the end of 2030. The last method I'm going to be mentioning is selling the land. Purchasing land is one of the most difficult things to do in the Sandbox. You can get it through the Sandbox official website, on the designated sale days, or buy it from someone who's willing to sell on a marketplace like OpenSea. If you are fortunate enough to get a piece of land, then you'll be able to sell to others. The land might be just a digital asset, but it has an insane value, and this value will keep going up as time goes. The metaverse, as we all know, is having a bad time right now. The virtual world's land is in high demand, so buy it now and hold off till the price rises. Then sell it once you think the price is good enough. You can also do one more thing, which is to add digital assets to your land and raise the property's price before selling it. I'd like to know what you think about this video, so leave your comments down below. And that's it. This is the Wealth Whiz. We upload new money-making videos every week, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to